Hello everybody, Enrico from Clicktrust here. So in this video I wanted to show you an automation on make.com to make sure that you can create structured data at scale for your website. So structured data, as you know, is becoming more and more important because it helps the search engine and AI models to understand what's actually on the page. And it can be quite time consuming to create it for a lot of pages, even if you use Claude or ChatGPT. So in this make.com automation, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So basically we have our short list, but obviously it can be longer, short list of URLs from our own website, clicktrust.be, over here. And then on the second column we're gonna have our schema.org structured data. So the first module that you want is a Google Sheet module. In this module you literally just have the sheet ID and basic information. If you have a lot of URLs, I would suggest using a limit of 3 to 5 just to make sure that what you're getting in terms of output is correct. Then the second module is an iterator, and the third module you're going to have an HTTP GET request module to get information about the URL so that you can push that information inside of Claude. I suggest using Claude. I tested also like ChatGPT. What you get in terms of output is more accurate when it's done by Claude. What I mean for accurate is means that when you check you have less errors if you have a lot of URLs. So I would suggest using Claude other than other AI models. And then also something else that I suggest is having a really good prompt. The prompt, you want to have it designed by Claude itself. I would suggest trying to create the schema directly in the Claude or the ChatGPT platform to see the errors that come out when it generates the schema.org structured data, and then feed that back into Claude, making sure that it creates a prompt with requirements and context and structure and everything, literally like make him do everything to make sure that the output is as clean, as correct as possible. Once you have your prompt in place, then you want to push the results back in your Google Sheet. And I just want to show you what this looks like if I run the automation. So back to our file. As you can see, it generated our schema.org for our URLs, and what you want to do now is using schema.org, validator schema.org, and you just want to take this structured data, and then you run a test, you paste it here, and then you'll see that there's no errors. You see the services that we offer: Service AI, media buying, MMM, GA4, Performance Max OD. And then if I want to see actually what the description is written, I can see here all the structured data, our slogan, your extended AI power performance marketing team, and all the information that you need for your website. If you're interested in more automation on how to apply AI to your PPC campaign, check out our training on Clicktrust.be. Thank you.